If you've ever felt a cold draft near your wall outlets or light switches, you're not imagining it. They can let cold air in, and believe it or not, they may be increasing your home's energy consumption. But all that is about to change.
This is a foam gasket. They may look flimsy, but the seal is the real deal. They're both inexpensive and super effective at blocking out pesky drafts. Your home improvement store will stock a range of electrical switch and outlet gaskets in different sizes. We recommend looking for flame retardant foam gaskets, especially if you have smart switches or outlets.
Now, before we touch an outlet or switch, you will need to turn off the power at the breaker. And remember, always put your safety first. You can test that it is switched off by plugging in a device, like your phone charger. Now that you know it's off, you can remove the plate cover using the appropriate screwdriver.
Place the correct gasket into the socket. And finally, reattach the plate before switching the power back on. Easy.
Cozier room, lower energy consumption, and no more mystery drafts.